Now, besides having vision when it comes to making creative projects, your actual vision, as in your eyesight, has to be in tip-top shape.
Apparently, people aren't placing enough importance on eye health. Here's Alex with more.
Well, most people know how important it is to get an annual physical, but unfortunately, many don't know how important it is to get a comprehensive eye exam as well. Well, joining us today to talk about the importance of eye exams are Lori Grover, OD, PhD, and Dr. Mark Jacquot, Vice President and Clinical Director of Lenscrafters. Welcome and thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
So recently there was a study, and it was about the lack of awareness in general between physicians and also patients. So what did you guys find in the study?
So Dr. Grover, along with myself and a number of leaders in vision care and eye care throughout the United States, including the American Optometric Association, got together for a roundtable discussion to really talk about what we know is a really underutilized tool in healthcare, and that is a regular comprehensive eye exam. What we know is that most people, if surveyed, and we talk to consumers all the time, 8 out of 10 of them feel like the sight is the sense that they would fear losing the most of their 5 senses. And yet, the average American is only getting her eyes examined about every 2 to 2.5 years. So we know there's a bit of a disconnect there. And we know that the significance of that is that there may be eye diseases that kind of hover below the surface that are lurking that don't have visual symptoms that really can cause eye problems down the road or vision problems down the road. So we have a report that's coming out shortly that'll summarize all that, but we know that there's an opportunity to educate not only consumers but other healthcare practitioners about exactly what goes on during a comprehensive eye exam.
Definitely. It's pretty ironic, isn't it? Most people are concerned about it, yet they do nothing to prevent it. Now, why is it so important to sort of get started young, sort of in children?
Well, we have data that shows that 80% of learning is visual, and 1 in 4 children has an undiagnosed visual condition. A lot of that is because visual problems can be silent. They may only show up as a difficulty in learning how to crawl or walk, or difficulties in school. So comprehensive eye exam is very important because the optometrist can help to diagnose any visual conditions that might be impacting child development. For older Americans, it's really important because we can detect underlying medical conditions, and it's very important to get early intervention for things like diabetes, hypertension, preventing other health risks like heart attack and stroke.
Wow. You know, they say the eyes are the window to the soul, but they're also the window to health. Now, what exactly is a comprehensive eye exam? Some people may not know what that is, and they may be a little bit fearful of it.
So first of all, a comprehensive eye exam is nothing to fear. It is defined as a thorough evaluation of the eye and visual system. And what we're doing is we're measuring how well someone can see, if they have myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, which is farsightedness, astigmatism, any kind of visual condition, we want to correct for that. We want to get a prescription that allows you, the patient, to see clearly and comfortably. We're also measuring how well the eyes work together, how well they focus from distance to up close, and then we're doing a thorough evaluation of the health of the eye from front to back, starting with the lids and working our way back to make sure that everything is clear and healthy. And none of those diseases, systemic diseases or eye diseases that we talked about a little bit earlier, are lurking somewhere that may not have visual symptoms. So the exam is nothing to fear. We try to make it interactive, and with some of our new technology, actually make it a little bit fun.
I love that. Now, if people want to get more information about this and about their eye health and about Lenscrafters, where can they actually go?
You can find a doctor close by going to AOA.org. The American Optometric Association has a bunch of great health information on that site. You can also go to ASCO's site, which is opted.org.
There's also a lot of great eye health information on lenscrafters.com, and you can actually schedule your eye exam online at a doctor's office close to you at a time that's convenient for you. We try to make it really, really easy and give folks access. So that website again is lenscrafters.com, and if you haven't had your eyes examined within the last year, we recommend you go get your eyes examined today.
Excellent. A lot of super important information. I want to thank you both so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
It's been a pleasure.
Definitely. Now stay where you are. The Morning Blend will be right back.